Hey guys, Brian here, and you already know that I did already a new intro like a couple seconds ago. So it's about to be New Year, and to kick it off, the end of 2021 is to get a video about this kinetic sand. I haven't been able to open this, but for a while I did. It's a variety pack. It's made out of natural sand, and the pack never dries out, cleans so easily, and easy. What's I say? Easy to shape and mold. Really cool. So let's open it up because I'm not gonna waste any time here. Gosh, I'm also on outside, so you may expect me to be a little louder than I used to be before. So got that tape. It's actually kind of crazy. So, or maybe there's tape. Nope, there's no tape. So, gosh, we got a lot of stuff. As it says, 8 molds and tools. Okay, you got this thingy. I got a kinetic sand thingy. Got a beach sand, a roller, a kinetic sand, squeezable sand stuff thingy. Got more of these. We got a so this is a kinetic sand and mini. I got this tool. This tool, and got this tool, and then you got this nice tool. The variety pack is crazy when you get a lot of stuff. You got this, and the last thing is more of this kinetic sand. So let's get the box out of the way. Get the box out of that way. So we got all that stuff. So let's first start with something small, which would be this kinetic sand. Do not eat this, so it's not edible. Let's see. Yes, so I got blue sand. I'll only just get bits of it. Oh, there's this cool. You can mold it into shapes. Looks pretty nice. Also, the label says kinetic sand. Sand on it. And you can mush it up, and now it's gone. She makes a castle really easily. I mean, it's really good to mold, so yeah. I should squeeze it in a little bit better. Oh well. Nice sand, by the way. Nice blue sand. I mean, this blue sand looks cool. But enough wasting time to see gorgeous blue sand. Because let's get more. We have this one. I saw 2 of these, but I'll really show only one. Well, that was a nice. It says kinetic sand. I'll take the purple one only. See, it feels the same as the others, but this one has like all these other. Looks cool though. Okay, we also have neon purple sand. I should keep the box because it's something that I have to keep. Sorry to keep the sand inside this box here. So it also never dries out, but if you need to like clean up easily, you gotta put this in the box. So I haven't seen I have used one for action, so we're gonna do that soon. I'm not sure how to open this. So you have this, you flip it, and then there's nothing. What is it? Got this. What do we do? Do we flip it? I got flip the sides open, and then I got we got more sand. Purple sand. So flip this open. So this is cool. Wow. Purple sand. This looks nice. And if you haven't seen any tools in action, I'll show one, which is that fork thing. Wait, I need to put that sand in and I can use it. Okay, nice purple sand. Let me lower it up. Oops, something fell off. I'll have to put it back on. And see the face right there. Here's this molding thing. Looks cool. You mold something, and then you have this breaker. Looks cool, and you got this really nice tool, and we have this tool. Or is it like one of those molds? I got a cube inside that, and then we have this. This looks an interesting piece. So, yeah, looks really cool. Definitely like the parts. Also gonna do it up, and let's put the sand. Something's going on, so I don't know that. Where should I put the sand? Whoa, it's wobbling. Oh wow. So some ignorance. Gosh, I need to see it. I'm not sure where I put this. I'll just put it right over here for now. And I don't want to mix any of them because I'll waste it. Like the brands. Now, here's the biggest. We have a giant piece of sand. I've got to put this sand here. Let's see. Then we got a huge piece of giant sand. I'm gonna actually only cut it this. Not sure if it's a bag we have to keep or we gotta throw this away. But I'll cut this string loose. Okay. Oh gosh. Feeling many things. Oh, sand. Gosh, it just covered me. Let's see. Now I'm not sure if it's a bag do I have to keep or do I have to throw it away. I'll just do little cuts so that you don't like damage it or something. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep all this or not. But here's this giant sand. Look at that. Look at the sand. It's actually like real sand. This is like real sand. Real sand, so really cool to see some real sand. Look at that. See all the sand here. It's just stuff. looks really cool. Never dries out, so I would keep this open. By the way, and I have to open this up too. Well, not like open this package because I think you've already seen this one. Okay, got that out. And I almost forgot to see this thing. So I'm gonna show it and play by like taking in a little bit of this. And then here, you can take that. Really cool. Nice sand material. It's made from real sand. 3 liters and 1.36 kilograms, and this one is, I'm not sure what it is. 2 something. Oh well. Well, guys, this is the last 2021 video, and I'm gonna make 2022 videos as well. So this video is gonna only be 11 minutes since I have to do this short. So bye.